Grace. Grace. Grace mean शानदार. Second word is grill. 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 Grill मतलब ਬੱਚਿਓ ਲੋਹੇ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਿਕੰਜਾ, ਜੰਗਲਾ ਜਾਂ ਪਕਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਧੀ ਜਾਂ ਢੰਗ. Third word is ground. 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 Ground mean ਖੇਡ ਦਾ ਮੈਦਾਨ. Fourth word is great. 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 Great mean महान. Fifth word is grapes. 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 Grapes mean अंगूर. Next word is city. 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 City means शहर. Second word is village. Village. Village mean pind. Third word is children. 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 Children means बच्चे. Fourth word is video. Video. Video means video ਜਾਂ ਚਲਚਿੱਤਰ. Fifth word is picture. 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 Picture mean तस्वीर. प्यारे BEEP. Beep. Beep mean ਉੱਚੀ ਅਤੇ ਤਿੱਖੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼. Second word is deep. 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 Deep means ਡੂੰਘਾ. Third word is keep. 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 Keep means ਰੱਖਣਾ. Fourth word is weep. 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 Weep means rona. Fifth word is heap. 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 Heap mean tear. Word is seed. 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 Seed means beach. Second word is soil. 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 Soil means mitti. Third word is roots. 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 Roots mean jada. Fourth word is leaves. 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 Leaves mean patte. Last word is fruits. 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 Fruits mean फल. Practice. First word is mother. 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 Mother means ma. Second word is father. 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 Father means pita. Third word is sister. 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 Sister means pan. Fourth word is brother. 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 Brother means pra. Fifth word is uncle. 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 Uncle mean बच्चों चाचा ताया मामा फुफ्फड़ आदि.